CSS animation. CSS animation animates CSS properties over a period of time. It's made up of keyframes and animation properties. The keyframe rule is used for rendering the animated element at a given time of the animation, while the CSS animation properties stores the animation metadata. The animation name property describes the animation name. Its value will be used by the keyframes. It's advisable to let your value properly describe the animation you want to do. Keyframes must begin with the @keyframes rule, followed by the animation name's value you want to use, followed by curly braces which stores the keyframes. Keyframes uses keywords or percentages for indicating the time an animation takes place. To from is equivalent to 0%, 100% of the animation duration. Here the animation changes the font size from 20px to 100px. The animation doesn't work because no duration was specified. The animation duration property describes the total duration of the animation. Its value should be in seconds, e.g. 1s, 2s. The font size is animated for 9 seconds. Animation iteration count describes how many times the animation should be repeated. Its value must be in numbers. Here the animation is repeated 5 times. Decrease the duration to make it faster. See the result. Infinite means the animation will be repeated infinitely. An alternative of to from is using percentages. Reverse plays the keyframes backwards. See the result. Normal, the default plays the keyframes from 0% to 100%. See the result. Alternate means the keyframes plays forwards and then backwards after each iteration. See the result. Let's increase the iteration. The animation iterates thrice in an alternate direction, forward, backward, forward. Animation delay can delay the start of the animation for seconds. Its value must be in seconds. The animation is delayed for 10 seconds. Let's delay it for 3 seconds. Animation is delayed for 3 seconds. Animation fill mode describes the styling to be used before and after the animation. None means the animation won't apply styling to the element when it begins or ends. Backwards means the values of the first keyframes will be applied to the element and retains this during the animation delay. When the animation ends, it retains the value of the first keyframe. When the value of animation fill mode property is backwards, the keyframe style to be used is dependent on the animation direction. Value of normal or alternate used the first keyframe while value of reverse used the last keyframe. You can add more keyframes to make your animation more interesting. If the animation fill mode has a value of forwards, the value of the last keyframe will be applied. The last keyframe depends on the value of animation direction and animation iteration count. These are its rules. From 0% to 25% of the animation duration, the font size is reduced from 20px to 10px. From 25% to 50% of the animation duration, the font size is increased from 10px to 50px. From 50% to 75% of the animation duration, the font size is decreased from 50px to 5px. From 75% to 100% of the animation duration, the font size is increased from 5px to 100px. See the result. Animation timing function property controls the progress of the animation. Ease means the styling increases in velocity in the middle of the animation and slows back towards the end. Let's reduce the keyframes. Linear means the animation moves at an even speed. Ease in means the animation starts slowly and continuously increases until the end. Ease out makes the animation start quickly and slows down till the end. Ease in out starts slowly, speeds up and ends slowly. Challenges.